Friends, welcome back to another video. My name is Ali and you are watching my YouTube channel. Today I am showing you a best website you can invest here and earn many profit from here. So without any wasting time, let's get start the video. But if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for new videos. Here is the website Peakcoin PKC. So here you can scroll down and read. PKC Coin is a platform for the future of funding that is built on top of the Peakcoin PKC blockchain. It assists growth of startup companies, offer tools and services that save both time and resources. Merchant and get a premium all-powered rewards platform for free. Shoppers are rewarded for purchase with cryptocurrency. Here you can see you can live chat, buy now, audit and white paper. Here you can read audit and white paper. So 30% coin for pre-sale, 7 days, 9 hours, 19 minutes left. Buy peak coin. So here you scroll down and read pre-sale holder rewards. 1 to 7 days 5%, 18 to 15 days 3.5%, 16 pre-sale end days 1.5%. So here you can scroll down and see contact and pre-sale address. So here you can copy the address. So here you scroll down and see pre-sale stages. When pre-sale September 16, 2021, October 3, 2021. 1 PKC is equal to up to $100. When a pre-sale 1,50,000 PKC in pre-sale. Winter pre-sale February 12, 2022, March 3, 2022. 1 PKC is equal to up to $200. Winter pre-sale 50,000 PKC in pre-sale. So here you can see summer pre-sale May 1, 2022, May 17, 2022. 1 PKC is equal to up to $300. Summer pre-sale 25,000 PKC in pre-sale. So here you scroll down and read what is PKC Coin. PKC Coin is a platform for the future of finding that is built on top of the Peakcoin PKC blockchain. It accessible growth of startup companies by offering tools and service that save both time and resources. Investor can use service to divide their investment between various services like P2 app, loans, crowdfunding, etc. The first version of the PKT allows startups to launch and manage quantified and ICO companions. So here you can see P2P loans, insurance, saving deposit, debit card for every day use, and exchange, and a wallet. Our community. Join our community to be updated with our all updates and complete future plans. So here you can click on join now and join the community. So here you can see token structures. Distribution to to community 75%, pre-sale 30%, 10% reserve funding, 9% founders and team, 3% advertiser, 3% bounty campaigns. Total supply is 5 lakh. Tenting launch $100 price PKC. Exchange listing after the pre-sale. Coin market cap and CoinGecko. Secures way to purchase token. Binance BNB USDT, Binance USDT BUSD. Soft cap 500 BNB, hard cap 5000 BNB. Note that number of quality holders able to sell after pre-sale 5% of their holding quantity within 24 hours. Liquidity looking it is only for safe coin from dumping after listing on exchanges. So here you can see roadmap October 2021, December 2021 to November 2022. So soft cap budget allocation. So here you can see 7% development, 15% marketing, sales, merchant acquisition and partnership, 8% operations, 10% rewards, 16% management and 54% liquidity locked. So hard cap budget allocation is smart contract may be updated or changed to enhance platform efficiently. Our all community Telegram, Instagram, Twitter. So this is the best website for earning. So here you can see Telegram, Instagram, Twitter link. You can follow here and get updated from all tokens news. So